Hello everyone, I'm John Newman, this is HowEasy, and today I will show you how remove background from your photo. For remove background from the photo, I will use Paint.net. If you don't know how to install or how to work with it, you can check my previous video and we can start. First, what you need to do is hard erase around your subject. What you wanna right area this icon. What is really important is in this area change the hardness. Usually you have about 26, but you need 100, and brush white you can use like 300 maybe, and we can start. You can zoom to the picture by Control and scroll wheel on your mouse. What do you need to know? You will erase your image in right area. Its name magic wand, something like magic stick, and what is really important is play with tolerance. It's about how software calculating with pictures want to select. So we will start with 58. Doesn't matter. We will see what will happen. So if I click here, I see that lots of my subject is selected too. So we will change the tolerance, and now I can see that we select just one of our area what we need. So delete, classic by type delete. Here is not so cool because we have lots of air here. So we will again change the tolerance, and we can see that now we have our area. Cool, what we want here. We can delete too. If you want to select more area, just hold Control and click for another area. And now we have selected some areas, and you want to change the size of the area. Again, you can do it by this, or just type one by one. I think this would be not so good. We will be continue with hard erase. It's in this area in the right, and again here we will play with hardness and brush white. So big, so we can change it to 55. It's still big. 30. Okay, I can zoom and just go around. Cannot be careful, because if you make a mistake, just click back and everything will be okay. Now it's really important to do it like this, because if you want to put this image to another background, you have another color, usually don't same whiteness. So if you will have clear border of your image, it will looks really nice. So last thing, just click File, Save As, and save as like PNG. So it was all for today. Thank you so much that you watched this video, and I hope that it was useful for you.